Thank you for purchasing Oval Steel Frame Pool. The video is only intended to help illustrate the major steps. Always refer to the owner's manual for important safety rules and detailed assembly instructions. It is important to review this video and the written instructions completely before you begin the assembly process. Please retain this DVD and the written owner's manual for future reference. Look for a smooth, solid and level ground to support the weight of the pool. Remove all sticks, stones, sharp objects or other foreign objects. Select an area which is solid, flat, extremely level and capable of supporting the weight of the pool. Plug is accessible. The first step in assembly is to ensure that you have all the necessary parts as shown on the parts reference page of the owner's manual. Please contact your local dealer or our after-sales service centre if any part is missing or damaged. Please unfold and place the ground cloth, if included, on your selected area. Unfold and place the pool on the ground cloth centre with the hose connections towards the area you wish to place the filter pump. Secure the 3 openings in the pool, the drain valve and the 2 fixtures for attaching filter pump hoses. Make sure that the outer drain plug is inserted into the outer drain cap and screwed on tightly. Open the carton and take out the 4 U-tubes and slide each U-tube through the bottom additional connected belt. Connect the T-joint onto the end of the U-tubes. Connect these 2 beams until it is locked and placed and insert the joined beams into the side sleeves under the inflatable top ring. Find the aligned side holes on the beam. Place and lock the T-joints into the beam. Please do the same on the other side and ensure they are fully connected. Please inflate the top ring with the hand pump, not included, the electrical pump, not included, until it is 90% filled. Fill the pool with water. Use soft rubber hoses to avoid damaging the pool. When the water level reaches 1 inch, 2 to 3 centimeters, please flatten and remove the wrinkles of the base of the swimming pool. It is advisable to monitor the pool periodically during the filling process. Continue to fill the water when it reaches the bottom of the top inflatable ring, and make sure that the surrounded surface is smooth and firm. Please assemble the ladder according to the steps shown in the ladder manual. Put the assembled ladder between the pool and the lawn. Take out the filter pump and the manual and assemble the filter pump accordingly. To install the water filter, put the rings on both ends of the hoses. To inlet upper port of pump, screw and tighten the hose clamp. Connect the other end of the hose to the lower protruding hose head, take out, on the wall. Screw and tighten the hose clamp. Connect the second hose from the outlet, lower port of the pump to the higher protruding hose head, intake on the wall. Screw and tighten the hose clamp. Take out the 2 strainers. Open both wall plug caps from inside of the pool. Insert both strainers. Gently release the top knob switch in a counterclockwise direction and then close it quickly when the water flows out a bit. Insert the electrical power plug into the electric socket. Assure the voltage of power supply is suitable for the pump to avoid any emergency such as electric shock or fire. Now you can have fun in the pool. Remove the strainers from inside of the pool and close the water connection caps. After a period of using, cleaning or replacing the filter cartridge is needed. Sweep the surface of the pool with the skimmer net, removing floating leaves, etc. Engage in a regular cleaning regime using the cleaning brush to remove dirt and other fine particles from your pool. During long periods of not using the pool, you should drain off the pool and store it appropriately. Take the following steps. Attach your garden hose to the hose adapter. Remove the drain plug cap. Attach and tighten the hose adapter to the drain outlet. Open the water connection caps from the inside of the pool. Put the other side of the garden hose near the sewer. Now it's ready for draining. Draining off the water, please dry the pool with a soft cloth. Fold the pool for future use. When using the pool, pay attention to the following 3 points. Always make sure that at least one responsible adult is supervising all children and those who do not know how to swim at all times. Never swim or bathe in the pool alone. Never permit diving or jumping into the pool. When it's off season, pay attention to the following 2 points. Take away the ladders. Open the pool cover. Make sure that the top ring is completely covered. Tighten it with strings to avoid being blown away by the wind. If you have any questions about using our products, please visit our website www.geelong.com or contact our local after-sales service centre or call your nearest hotline listed on the owner's manual.